Hey people, so this bigger cage that we bought today, and this cage is for we got it for 800 bucks. And the main thing was, these little animals in the slightly smaller cage, they literally had to sit one on top of the other. But in this big cage, this is in this cardboard box. My little son, he made a it's some kind of litter box.
It's not a litter box, it's a digging box.
Digging box. Okay.
It's for them to dig around.
Okay, so I don't know, yeah, considering we have two boys and two girls, we just might have, you know,
This one is
happy
pregnant.
little bundles of,
This one is pregnant.
surprise soon. So yeah, so I thought a bigger cage would be a good idea. And now that they have a bigger cage, I intend to always keep them somewhere where I can watch them, and it's just so relaxing, yeah, being around pets. So yeah, Ayush, in fact, the litter box, we can make one the litter box, right? Yeah, that would be good. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.